again, Shen. Welcome to my channel, Shen Reads. Today I will tell you a fairy tales collection of the Brothers Grimm about a very brave and clever young tailor. Are you ready to listen? Let us see how brave and clever the tailor is. Once upon a time, there was a tailor who worked in his shop. He enjoyed eating bread with jam. One day, he left his bread on the table, and when he returned, he found flies eating his jam. The tailor smacked the flies with his hand. Zack! With just one smack, 7 flies were dead. He was very pleased, so he made himself a white belt which said, 7 with 1 smack. He decided to travel around the world. He carried a piece of cheese and bird with him during his trip. People thought he had killed 7 men all at once during a war. One day, a giant decided to test the tailor's strength. The giant took a stone and squeezed it until drops of water came out. The clever tailor took out the cheese in his pocket and squeezed it until vats of water were produced. Later, the giant threw a stone as high as he could. A few moments later, it fell to the ground. The tailor took the bird out of his pocket. He tied the stone to the bird with a hanky. The bird flew away, and the stone did not fall down. The giant was surprised at the tailor's strength, and he went away quickly. The king of the village found out about the tailor. He summoned the tailor to his castle. I will give you half of my range and the hand of my daughter if you finish off the 2 giants of the forest, the king said. 100 guards accompanied the tailor to the forest. The tailor told the guards, "It is dangerous for you. I prefer to go alone." The giants were sleeping at the base of a tree, and the tailor threw a stone at the head of one of them. The giant awoke, and he hit the other giant. They continued to fight with each other until they had both been knocked out. Then the tailor went to the guards and told them to finish the fight of the giants as fast as possible and capture them. The guards were very impressed with the strength of the tailor. The tailor returned to the village, and people were calling out, "Long live the valiant tailor! Long live the valiant tailor!" The tailor married the king's daughter, and they all lived happily ever after. The end. Do you like the story? The story told us that by using our talents, we can actually find solution. But of course, with the help of our God, we can be wiser to see and find the solution to our problems. So, keep praying. Hope you enjoyed the story today. Till our next story reading. Bye-bye! Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Let's read and learn together. You may also request a short story for me to read it to you. Leave the book title of your request on the comment box below. Thank you!